Here's how to remove a Google account from your computer. So first, you need to go ahead and open accounts.google.com. Then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and there you'll see the option of sign out, which is beside the add account option. Go ahead and tap on that and tap on OK to confirm. If you have a lot of different Google accounts logged in, and if you want to log out from a specific one, you cannot do that. You'll get the option of sign out of all accounts. You need to go ahead and tap on that. And in order to sign back to other accounts, you need to go ahead and enter the password manually, and then only you'll get to sign into that specific account you want to. There is no option to sign out of a specific account from your computer if you have a lot of accounts logged in. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.